Good evening. Sanibonani leaders, team abundance. Nkosi yami ke ifoni yami iloku ingena izinto kanje ezingidisturbayo but ngicela ngingayinaki. Leaders la ngizonibonisa ukuthi uyifaka kanjani i-order because sometimes I get too busy and abantu they rely kumina kakhulu for ukuthi ngibaplacele ama-order and ngizonibonisa akekho-ke leaders umuntu ohlala yedwa. Wonke umuntu it's either uhlala ney'ngane abazukulu noma khona omakhelwane, just ask somebody ukuthi akusize umkhombise le video. So ngizonibonisa ukuthi uplace kanjani i-order, right? So i-screen sakho sisuke sikanje i-screen sakho ifoni yakho nje i-home screen le. So uzoya ku-Google nangu-Google bese uthi True Organics Login uthinte bese uyothinta wona-ke u-True Organics Login. Oh my goodness, ivele yayingenela. Let me log myself out first. Ithi ngizilogge out khona ngize ngiyeqe le process le. So okay, uma ngabe soye ku-True Organics Login uzokuvezela iscreen esikanje, right? Ufuna i-username ne-password yakho uzokutype-ke wena ngoba awujwayele bese uthinta lapha ngezansi uthi remember me. Mina ngoba ngijwayele ukukusebenzisa I just tap iscreen and hold bese yangivezela i-username ne-password yami and then bese ngithi log in ngoba kade ngawuthinta remember me, then sengifakile-ke nebo. Then sengiyahamba-ke manje angithi ngiyothenga ngiya ku-e-shop then ngiya ku-visit store. Nanga-ke izinto ezidayiswa inkampani ama-package. Ake sithi ngifuna ukuthenga leyo kuqala, I will go to buy now, ngithinta yona. So isingenile successfully, then I check out. Ngithinta lapho check out. And then njoba sesine option entsha eyokuthi uselect i-delivery option. So okay, abekade ngivele ngiwaselectile lawa but then uzoselecta u-store pickup ubese uyoselecta le yase-Cape Town because i-runner selisebenzisayo like-Cape Town. Yabo la ku-blue khona u-store pickup bese uya la ukuthi Cape Town and then continue-ke so uyokwenza i-payment. Shawa i-network ihamba kancane. Then-ke manje kungenile okay 1.2 shoot bengisengu-selecte kawu-2 lokhu njani. Be careful, uba careful-ke la uyibheke ukuthi uthenga ini imalini iveze yona la ezansi pay 1,200 with pay first. Okay fine, mangabe ukuthi uyavumelana naleyo price or you can always go back uyi-minimize uyo-cancela mekuwukuthi into wrong, but in this case ngoba vele it's a demo video, I'll continue. Vele I'm not buying this order, ngilithengi ngenza nje umzekelo la. My network ihamba kancane nansi-ke. Then uselecta lapha phezulu u-credit and check card visa, right? Thinta wona. And then mina ngijwayele ukusebenzisa i-card lami, so ama-card details amaseseyivekile but wena uzoyibhala i-card number yonke leya number engemuva, ubhale i-date expire ngalo ikhona ekhadini lakho ngemuva, ubhale i-CVV leya eba u-3 digits. So mina ngivele ngithinte ingene then sekufanele ngifake i-CVV of which I won't put it ngoba angiyenzi le payment bese ngithi pay. Yabona-ke leyo amount and then kuzobe sengena i-message lapha phezulu engivela ebhenki and then I will go ngigrabhe leyo message phezulu, right? And then ngi-minimize le screen, angithi ngizobe ngingasasidingi ngiqhubeke nalento ebengiyenza ngifaka iphini yasebhenki bese ngiyasi-minimize ngibuyele kule screen bese ngithi pay. So ukhukhile-ke lapho leaders. Angeke ngize ngikwazi, it get too much ukusiza wonke umuntu. Abantu they rely to me noma sengithi forward it to the runner, umuntu angayi-forward to the runner, ngithola ukuthi umuntu uyihlalele ne-order lakhe akaliforwardanga kanti mezenzele yena uzoliforwarda to i-runner. Thank you guys, good night.